Hello, good day. So today we are looking at the integration of a linear function of x. Okay. So when we have an integral like this is similar to when we have integral of x raised to power. For this one, x raised to power 4 dx. It's similar to something like this. It means it is a function of another function. We take the inner function, which is the one within the brackets. We take it as a function, right? Then the one outside that is raised to the power is now another function. Okay, so what we do here is to just the one with the inner function, we let it represent a letter, then we differentiate it and we take it on from there. Okay, now from here, what are we going to do? We are going to say for the first one, 3x plus 2 equals to dx. Okay, this expression, you say let u equals to 3x plus 2. You will now differentiate this. So this is going to be what? The u become um, dx. That is, you differentiate this, the u, then you differentiate this 3x, right? So that's going to be what? The u dx. That's going to be 3, right? The equation of a constant is going to be 0, right? So from here, what is the u? The u, what is the x? The x is going to be the u all over 3, right? That is, you bring this one up, bring this one down. That's the u over 3. So you now put this particular expression, you put it here, while at the same time you let u equals to this, right? Put u here, okay? So this is now going to be u raised to power 4. Now, instead of writing the x, you now write the u over 3. So we are transforming the function. That is, we are going from the x domain to the u domain, right? So everything that has to do with x, we transform it to u. Okay? So at this point now, we only have expressions involving u. And this is now going to be 1 over 3 is a constant. You take it out of the integral. Okay? And this is now going to be u raised to the power 4 du. So this now looks like the normal expression that we have with only x, okay? And we can now integrate this, and this is going to be 1 over 3 u raised to the power 5 all over 5, okay? Plus c. So that was u raised to the power 5 all over 15 plus c, okay? So this is going to be the final answer, okay? Now for the second one, what do you say? You say that's integral 1 minus 4x, everything squared, dx. So you do the same thing. So let u equals to 1 minus 4x. Okay? So the u dx is going to be minus 4. Okay? And dx will be what? The u all over 4 all over minus 4. Right? So you now replace these two. So 1 minus 4 is u raised to the power 2. And the x is what? The u all over minus 4. So that's going to be minus 1 over 4 u squared the u. Okay? So this is now going to be minus 1 over 4 u raised to the power 3 all over 3. And that will be what? Minus u raised to the power 3 all over 12. Okay? And you will now replace that u. Okay, that's the last thing we need to do. We need to take, because we introduced the u, we need to return it back. So whenever we find the u, we put it back. So that u here is 1 minus 4x is going to be 1 minus 4x, right? Raised to the power 3 now, all over 12. For this one is going to be what? For this one is going to be 3x plus 2 raised to the power 5. 3x plus 2 raised to the power 5. Okay? So we need to take it back. Then number 3, that will be what? This one. 3 minus 4x dx. So what do? We say let u equals to 3 minus 4x, so that the u will become minus 4 dx, right? Right, so that's the u, so that the x will become the u over minus 4, right? The u all over minus 4. Okay, so here now, when we now put it back here, now the u, square root of u, the x is now the u all over minus 4. So from here, this is going to be what? Integral minus 1 over 4 u raised to power half, right? The u. So from here now, this is going to be what? Minus 1 over 4 u raised to power minus half plus 1. Sorry, half plus 1, that's 3 over 2. 3 all over 2, all over 3 over 2. Okay? And that's going to be what? Minus 1 over 4 times 2 over 3 u raised to power 3 over 2. So that's going to be minus 1 over 6. U is now what? 3 minus 4x raised to power 3 over 2. Okay? That's that. And this last one, 1 over 4. So that was integral 7 all over 2x minus 5 dx. So you say let u equals to 2x minus 5. So that the u will become what? The u will become 2 dx, right? 2 then dx. So that is the x become the u all over 2. Okay? The u over 2. We now introduce that here. Okay? So what's going to be the final answer? Let's quickly rub this part. Okay? So that's going to be what? So we now replace that u. That will be 7 over u. Now instead of writing the x, we write the u over 2. Okay? So that's going to be what? 7 over 2 will come out. They are constants. 1 all over u will be left. The u. Okay? So what is the integration of 1 over u? 7 all over 2. That will be ln u. Right? Plus c. Okay? So in everything that we're doing, we need to add c to the final answer. So that was 7 over 2 and u is what? 2x minus 5 plus c. Okay? So that is how we go about that. Okay? So please like, subscribe, and share. Please also if you have any issues, you can send it to abstractclass.online. Thank you.